Good morning. How are you now, my little blueberries? Uh, Happy sunrise. I'm eating a banana. Um, and it's cold. Pretty cold outside. But here's the sunrise. I brought my blankie out. Oh, my Lanta. Ooh, doggy, it's coldy. Oh, ay, ay, ay. Cool colors today. Oh, man. That's about good enough, I think, for the sunrise. Because it's cold. I don't think we're going to get much better than that. Okay, bye. Good afternoon. How are you now? Thanks for joining me on my daily walk, aka therapy session. Talking to my phone. That's how we do it. We talk to our phone. Might as well call this a blog, or no, podcast. That's not really a podcast, is it? Who even knows the definitions of these things? And even if you did know the definitions of these things, would you actually follow it? That is the question. Wrapped up in my blankie. Made a poncho out of it because we're resourceful around these parts. Don't you know? You betcha. And tater tot hot dish. It is kind of, so I'm wearing shorts. So, and I got a blanket. Damn it. I just hate it when you're out in the woods and you're not wearing any socks. Then something kicks up and lands in your shoe. Well, that just happened. Don't worry. I got it out pretty quick there. Jerry, what you sniffling? I think she's just trying to pretend that she's doing a job and sniffing something out. Like a hound dog. Oh, woo, woo, woo. You're my friend too, Copper. Or Todd. Todd and Copper. The fox and the hound. Y'all, ugh. The creaks in this tree. Like it's very loud creaking. I think I'm gonna protest mowing under that tree this year. I'll be like, nope. How about every other time or every other time? That's what you can do when you have a big yard and nobody sees most of it most of the year. The only time people see your backyard is when the farmers are out in the field. And they can look all they want because their yards are probably the same damn thing. Don't you know? You betcha, tater tot hot dish. Would that be Tourette's or OCD? I don't know. I'm just saying a bunch of random shit. Same random shit all the time. Well, there's a garden there. They're probably rotted out through the falcon barrel, which means this burned pile hasn't been burned in a couple of years, so it's kind of taken on a shape of I don't know. Rabbit City. oh my God, the rabbits around here. They're not actually too bad. When I lived in town, they were worse. There's more squirrels around right now. Not seeing much of the rabbits. Yeah, they're around though. Jerry, it's kind of cold, crispy to go out there. You know what? Maybe. Oh, yeah. We'll see how. Oh, Jerry just started taking off. Oh, I love you, Mutt. I don't even know if you're seeing it. But, yeah, I'm not. When I start walking out, she always gets excited. And she thinks we're going to go all. Hey, there's another rock. Dude. Faith in humanity. I'm picking up a rock for you, buddy. Just because I don't want you to have a bad day. Okie dokie, artichokey. Jerry's out there protesting. She's got her head hanging down like, no, she doesn't want to go. If I threw this in the burn pile, what would happen? So I don't really want to. You know what? Yes, it's safer at the base of a tree. Don't you know? Oh. Wow, man. You look like little turds of hair. Here. Little turds of hair. So, what do you think did that? What would eat fur in that size? A possum? A opossum? Someone's got to change that freaking name of that thing. A possum. Just call it a possum. We'll know what you're talking about. Yeah, right, Gary. Gary's excited that we're on a walk, but we could have been on a longer walk, but I didn't want to go out there. With no socks is the main thing. I burp a lot because I have a lot. I eat poorly. I gotta change my. Actually, I ate a lot of carrots like the last 2 months, and then some celery too. I put it in the door of the fridge instead of the drawer, and that little extra step saves a lot of time. And it's like you open the fridge door and you automatically eat a carrot, a baby carrot just sitting right there in the door. Oh, why did we go out here in the wind, Jerry? Because Jerry wanted to. That's a good explanation, isn't it? Right? Here's my close-up. I've cut my own hair for. I'm gonna map this out because I remember my last haircut, and it was the last haircut that I had somebody do was with Lance, a guy named Lance Armstrong, baby. Jerry's having fun. That makes me happy to see. It warms my heart when she has her fun. You don't have too many of these days left there, Poocher. wise words for everybody. Oh, my Lanta. Cloudy. It's a cloudy day. I just heard a cow. That actually sounded kind of close with the echo. Oh, I hear it now. It's a chainsaw. Somebody's running a chainsaw. It sounds like a cow. Like, oh, words. You know, I have to say, you future entity that is experiencing this data right now are pretty lucky. Well, it's all about perspective, ain't it? Perspectives can change. I guess that's the hope everybody's holding on to. Or maybe everybody just thinks the same and they're just having trouble what to call it, like that South Park episode. Like everybody's fighting over these wars about like you're asking the wrong question, something stupid like that. And then like everybody's on the same side, but nobody wants to admit it because greed. Greed, homie, it's no good. Those who have power want more, and it's not good, man. Not good for your soul, dog. Gotta get away from that stuff. Come out here in the wilderness, nature, man. Oh yeah, best therapy there is, Jerry. You are one dusty mutt. You dusty old dog. Look at you, dusty. It's like you're all washed up, kid. You dusty. You dusty, kid. The exact opposite. Can mean the same thing. Man, okay, speaking of future entities, I hope the person that experiencing this data right now is cool. And I don't know. I hope somewhere, sometime, somebody could enjoy me talking out here and just trying to better my thoughts. Because everybody sucks, man. I mean, people are okay, but like everybody is just not a very good person. I don't know. A lot of people are. I lived in a city, and then there's a diamond in the rough, like every once in a while. But for the most part, everybody's pretty horrible, in my experience. Like even my own family, especially my own family, just like some, not like they're a horrible person, but they're like thought process is like outdated for sure is a word that I will use. I don't know. I gotta talk to my younger sisters every once in a while, see what their thoughts on the world are. Right, Jerry? Our sisters. Because Jerry's my mama's dog. Ugh. Holy macaroni, Jerry. Oh, hey! Poor little guy. Poor little guy. Man, that sucks, dude. Those are called woolly bears. That's what I've always called them. Woolly bears, those little brown and black caterpillars that are fluffy. There's a lot of them around these parts. Yeah. Why? Do you have rabies or something? You're just, you know where there's water? Well, I should probably check that actually right now. Let's go check your water bucket. Because if it gets too low, the lip presses up on our throat and probably uncomfortable. And the hose is right there. Just a reminder that poor little woolly bear. Damn it. I don't like seeing those things like not moving. I always like to think in a magical world where woolly bears are have their own little community. Like that'd be a good cartoon or something. There's flies in there. Yeah, you probably don't care. A little protein for you. All right, Jerry. Let's rock and roll. Thanks for joining. Bye.